Welcome back. I'm Jane and this is
Lindsay.
Hi. So we are in the middle of winter. I keep getting that question. I'm doing a lot of editing. So in this video you will see a whole bunch of winter sowing reveals. We're going to open up the jugs and I'm going to show you what grew last winter. So enjoy. Hi, I'm about to open up these winter sowing jugs. These are kind of exciting. I'm in Utah Zone 6B. Today is June 2nd. So we're getting up into the 80s, almost 90s. So we really need to get these planted. The pineapple ground cherries, we got some green in there. This says hosta, but it looks more like leafy greens. So I'm going to open that up to see. Rocky Mountain penstemon, double coreopsis, sedum ground cover is coming up. This is exciting. Cinnamon basil. And these should have been planted a long time ago, but you know, that's life. Red onions. And the apple pepper never came up. I am going to leave it there even till the end of, I'll give it another week probably. And then we'll see if it has any more. I haven't even put the peppers that I started inside out yet. I'm going to start working on that this week and next. All right, let's see what it looks like. Here are some more winter sowing jugs I'm about to open. Today is June 2nd, Utah Zone 6B. So this is a pineapple ground cherry. So I just opened a few of my winter sowing jugs. I'm trying to get the rest of it done. Today is June 2nd. This one is red coneflower. This one is blanket flower. Snapdragons. Lupin. That one's night and day snapdragons. Firecracker penstemon. Marigold, what type? Tiger's eye marigold. So let me open up a couple more winter sowing jugs. Okay, here's all of those ones opened. Look, lucky me. I've been cultivating a weed. Looks like my rabbits get to eat that. Look how healthy. That's funny. Stupid thing. But those look like they might actually be hostas. I think I'm just going to plant it. And hopefully it'll come up. This one is Rocky Mountain Blue penstemon. Look at this. Look how fun this one is. This one is, I've never tried them before, pineapple ground cherry, done March 20th in my climate in Utah. Double coreopsis. Got a good section over there. So, forgot the cinnamon basil. Gotta open that up in a minute. Sedum ground cover. Look how cool. I've never done sedum. I think that's kind of fun. Look at this. Red onions. Look at they're even bulbing up. I did these from seed in one of the times. So anywhere between December and March. I didn't label the date on that one. It was just a trial. Look how cool. That was so fun. All right, I gotta open this cinnamon basil, but I'll open him up with some more of these ones. Okay, I'll be back. Look at these yellow snapdragons I did on March 20th. Look how full they are. Let's see if they're really snapdragons. Hopefully they're not lettuce. Let's open this up. Let me put down those scissors for a minute. There we go. Oh, that's gorgeous. Definitely snapdragons. Those are going in today. Exciting. Let's see if they're all yellow. I wouldn't mind if they're a mixed color. How fun. Hi, I wanted to show you this silly tomatillo that is coming straight out the jug. It even has a bloom on it. I've never waited this long to plant stuff. I've been kind of crazy busy. So I'm gonna have to cut it out. Here we go. So another example of a perennial, winter sown, not blooming the first year. This one says red coneflower. Look how healthy it is. That's a nice, big, healthy plant compared to the other one back there. But we're not going to see blooms till next year. So don't give up hope. Just keep them watered. Have fun with it. I will show you a slideshow of my winter sown successes through the years. All right, see you later. Bye. Lindsay wants to show something.
You gotta choose who plays, by the way.
What is that? Bye.
The gingerbread without a head. Also,
you just said gingerbread without a head. That both rhymed.
Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Oh,
yep.
Garden Fun with
Jane.
Jane.
I should say Garden Fun with Jane and Lindsay, because Lindsay's like the star, right? Okay, bye.